Hey everyone! Here's 15 memes that will make your day. Comment which one you like. Watching the lion eat the deer while watching a documentary about lions. Watching the lion eat the deer while watching a documentary about deers. How I feel after working out. How I actually am. Me during an argument. Me after the argument thinking of stuff I should have said. Yankee with no brim. Brim with no Yankee. No Yankee with no brim. Finally, a worthy opponent. Our battle will be legendary. When you work at a bank and two guys with masks come in, but they are just robbing the place. Animal facts. Most cats actually can't use sledgehammers, because they don't have hands, and the hammer is too heavy for most of them. Me, shuts down PC. Windows update. Windows, updates. Me, what did you update? Windows. America, we drive on the right. Britain, we drive on the left. India. Road is road. Me after hearing someone cough on my round-trip flight to Italy. Me, Mom, I'm hungry. Mom, have a piece of fruit. Me. My reaction when you see my memes and enjoy but you didn't like, subscribe or comment. The Rock, no one can defeat me. Paper, you sure about that? The Rock, oh no. People who only see this post. People who drop a like. People who like and comment. People who like, comment and subscribe. So, make sure you are subscribed to Cluster Series. Police officer avoids bullet, thanks to the Nokia Lumia 520 in his pocket. Son, I am proud. The 0.1% of germs. Me after washing my hands. Bonus meme. Show me the best YouTuber. I said, the best. Perfect. Hey. Before you leave, look at this graph. Once again, please subscribe.